Edwards yn ôl, i digon cryf, ydy Carl Jones yn clirio. Cyffyrddiad gan Noah Edwards, mae'r yn glir, a mae'r arbediad yn rhagorol gan Dave Jones. Oedd Ben Maher yn glir reit trwy'r clanwr o'r amddiffyn. Cyfle gwych i roi'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Arbediad rhagorol gan Dave Jones. Ail bêl yn cael ei hennill gan Prestatyn. Maher yn oedi. Y bêl yn cael ei rhyngipio. Fletcher at Ethan Jones. Cyfle da fan hyn i Jones. Yn erbyn Kemp yn torri tu fewn yn ergydion Ishel ac mae mewn gan Ethan Jones. Wel, ar ddechrau'r ail hanner yn torri tu fewn i Tom Kemp i ergyd Ishel yn taro'r postyn yn curo Carl Jones. Mae Ethan Jones ar dan. Y bêl mewn i'r canol, y mae'n ni'n gyfartal. Ond nadyn, ni fydd y gôl yn cyfru oherwydd oedd Zeb Edwards yn cam sefyll. Lliman cynorthwydd y dyfarnwr yn cael ei godi'n syth. A Fletcher sydd ar tafliad hir. Tuag at Sears, bêl yn adlamu, Goodwin yn codi, ac yna Jones sydd yn o'i rwydo. Does dim trosedd ar y gôl geidwad. Ac Ethan Jones sy'n dyblu mantais y Drenewydd. Tafliad hir, Alex Fletcher yn achosi'r trafferthion. Goodwin yn codi. Yn methu rwydo, ond Ethan Jones yn y fan ar lle ac ergyd drod dde i gefn y rhwyd. Mae yna anghydweld pellach yn y cwrt Cosby. Ryan Sears a'r capten Tom Kemp. Maen nhw jyst yn gwthio, brathu, cicio, tynnu o dan drwy'n y dyfarnwr. A mae'r dyfarnwr yn gwneud dim ar hyn o bryd, a mae'r bêl wedi mynd yn syth ac mae'n gico'r smotyn. A mae yna ddadle fan hyn, Craig Williams, nath crimanu'r gic gornel i mewn, yn taro cwpl o chwaraewyr ac i gefn y rhwyd, ond yn y cyfamser, mae'r dyfarnwr Mr Morgan wedi dynodi cic o'r smotyn. Jones yn erbyn Jones, ac mae'n cael ei harbed gan Carl Jones, a dyw Ethan Jones ddim yn dathlu hat-trick. Yn yr amser sydd wedi cael ei ganiatáu am anafiadau. Fletcher ar y bêl a teniad i gefn y rhwyd gan Kieran Mills-Evans. Fe yw chwaraewr y flwyddyn ymysg y cefnogwyr a fe sy'n penio i bedwaredd gôl o'r tymor i sicrhau'r 3 phwynt.
Yeah, look, first off, Prestatyn, give them a credit. You know, they probably had the better chances with the one-on-one. Our goalkeepers made a good save. We were a little bit frustrated. We didn't perhaps move the ball. You've got to maybe give the pitch was a little bit slow with the weather, which was quite dry. But we just asked the players at half-time just to a couple of gears, move the ball quicker, and you know we did that. We scored early on, and then we got a second quite quickly, and then. You know, we probably in control of the game then, and then you know we played some really good football after that. And again, the only criticism, as every week I seem saying the same thing. We should have, could have scored more with a little bit of care and a little bit of quality in the last third. But look, good performance. You know, last home game, so it's pleasing to put 3 points on the board, and I think that now guarantees us 8th, which you know, all in all for us this year is probably a decent return on, especially where we were pre-season.
Gareth, another frustrating afternoon for you as manager of Prestatyn, but it could have been so different had Ben Maher and Macaulay Taylor taken their chances.
Yeah, again, nobody means to miss their chances, but we played some great football today. But I seem to be saying that every week at the moment. There was very little between the two sides, but they were clinical with their chances and we weren't. So another frustrating afternoon for us, and unfortunately that elusive win's not there at the moment.
Yeah, how do you rebuild now as you look forward towards next season in the Hughes Grey?
Well, we've got our lads are significantly young, so 18, 19-year-olds. You'd see the squad today. You know, we've got 7 or 8 players, big players for us. Michael Parker, Miles, etc., big players for us that aren't involved today. So, again, we're blooding the young lads, bringing the local lads through, and we'll go again next season. Come here, lads.